This video, I'll show you how to create VMs in Google Cloud, delete some, and list the VMs in Google Cloud. These use Python scripts, which I'll show you afterwards, but let's create our second VM. By the way, if we look at this other tab here, we've got just one instance in Google Platform. I'm going to add a second. So we type in the instance name. Let's say Mike inst4. These are called options, and these can be, presented to the end user. You can have as many or as few as you want, and you can see here that we're picking zones and various sizes and operating systems and so on. They all go into a certain project that you can pick from or just type in, etc. And now I'm going to run this job, and I'm looking at the log output, so we'll see when it's finished and the results here. And so you can see it created the instance, and let's go over and look at the, I'm going to refresh this. You can see there's Mike inst4. So now what I'm going to do is go back to the jobs, and I'm going to list it just to see what it looks like, just to see that, functionality. And same project ID and the same zone. And you see the inst3 and inst4. So now I'm going to delete inst4 just to show that. We click on that job, and we'll just type it in here, and it's deleting out of that zone in that project, and we'll run now. I just have it showing the list of VMs after it's done, so you can kind of make sure it's gone. And then after that, I'll show you what it looks like inside some of these jobs and the steps. Scroll up here a little bit. So it's done deleting that instance. Remaining is instance 3 there. All right, so now let's look at various jobs. I'm going to look at the most complex one, which is creating the VM here. We just go over to Actions, Edit. And let's look at the Workflow tab. The Workflow tab has all those options, which is the values that you fill in or pick off a list. It's got the key file, which is the service account key that allows you to use the API here, and then those are all options. Those are fed into the in this case a Python script. So let's take a look at that Python script briefly. I won't go through this entirely, but you can see it's using the Google API, and this is all usable and can be modified. And this tells you that it's using Python with this extension and so on. So that's it. Thanks for watching.